All right, hey, this is Ryan Oakley. So you just have an implant placed. Hopefully you're pleasantly surprised, right? A lot of people go into having an implant thinking that it's going to be a big deal, and we always tell people it's really one of the easiest things that we do in dentistry. A couple things to be aware of after an implant's placed. First of all, when we place an implant, it is placed under the gum tissue, and that gum tissue is closed up and it's stitched over. So sometimes you're able to see a little bit of the implant, but most of the time it's completely covered up on the gum tissue and you don't see it, right? Secondly, very normal initially because you probably got numbed up and you've had your mouth open to there be some soreness or discomfort. Very normal for you to need to take over-the-counter pain medication. Typically after an implant, I'll recommend that people take 800 milligrams of ibuprofen kind of immediately, another 800 milligrams of ibuprofen before bed, and then take it again the next morning. So that's 3 rounds of ibuprofen, whether you're feeling great or not, just so we have the anti-inflammatory on board. After those, kind of take it as needed. If you need to take it a few more times or a few more days, that's totally normal. But if there is anything that's bothering you after the fact, if it's not something that over-the-counter pain medication is handling, make sure you let us know so we can talk about it. You do have a stitch that's in there. The next time we're gonna see you is to remove the stitches out of there and check the site and make sure it's healing up well. When it comes to eating right now, sort of treat it like you had a tooth extracted. It's not to the degree of having an extraction because it is closed up, there's not a hole there, but initially try to chew on the other side. Avoid things that are super sharp, like tortilla chips that might poke the area and maybe make that sensitive tissue bleed. If between now and when we see you again to remove the stitches and check the area, you have any questions, make sure to give us a call. We're happy to talk to you about anything, answer any questions, go over anything that you might have, and we'll see you next time.